In today's video, we're diving into RenderNet AI, an incredible tool for AI art creation, especially for maintaining character consistency in things like virtual influencers and storytelling. RenderNet AI, built on Stable Diffusion, allows users to create everything from stunning virtual photoshoots to unique digital characters for their stories or social media. To create a character on RenderNet AI, visit the website and sign up. Register for a free account and receive credits to test the platform. Choose from a variety of pre-made character templates or upload your own image to start designing. Select from preset templates, such as a movie character or influencer. Use the face lock feature to upload a clear front-facing image without sunglasses or obscure features. Adjust the image with prompts and generate new designs. Craft custom prompts like a woman walking through a busy street. And adjust the negative prompt to avoid unwanted details, for example artifacts or cameras. You can add additional prompts to control features such as hairstyle, clothing, or background elements. Explore advanced settings like the number of image generations, steps for more accurate outputs, and changing aspect ratios, for example square, portrait, or landscape. You can switch between different models like cyber-realistic, Dream Shaper, or Studio Ghibli styles, and apply LoRa models for stylistic control. Use ControlNet to upload a reference image for controlling the character's pose, offering more control over body positioning in AI-generated art. You can use tools like Magic Mode and change it to alter specific elements, for example, changing the color of a jacket. Ensure the face image is clear, forward-facing, and not obstructed by sunglasses or poor lighting to get the best results. The more specific you are with prompts, the more control you have over the final image. Experiment with descriptive details like lighting, camera angles, and clothing. Use negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements from your final image, and if you want to pose your model in a specific way, upload a pose reference using ControlNet. Poor image uploads lead to inconsistent face outputs. Always ensure your image is high quality and follows the guidelines. If you put too many complex prompts or conflicting instructions, the AI image won't be good, so simplify the prompt and add layers incrementally. If you're not getting expected results due to mismatched models or settings, make sure the selected models, for example cyber-realistic, are appropriate for the style you're aiming to create. If you want to get some high-quality pictures for your poses or faces, head over to Pexels for getting high-quality images to use in RenderNet's AI face lock features. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.